It's Therizinosaurus vs. Giganotosaurus. Who will be our victor, or will they both be eaten by the Colossal Giganotosaurus? Keep watching. Welcome to crazydinotoys. Today we'll be unboxing the brand new LEGO Jurassic World Dominion Giganotosaurus and Therizinosaurus attack packs at 76949. Boy, I'm super excited. Let's go to open this up. Crazy Dino Unboxed, the new Lego Jurassic World Dominion Giganotosaurus and Therizinosaurus attack. Lego set 76949, which includes the Giganotosaurus, Therizinosaurus, Alan Grant, Allie Sattler, Owen Grady, Claire Daring, Kayla Watts, and Dr. Henry Wu. We're going to put it together using stop motion animation, so it's going to look like the set builds itself. Cool. And while the Giganotosaurus vs. Indominus Rex battle continues, let's go ahead and check out the options. So first of all, we have a huge lab over there. We have like a treehouse, Giganotosaurus, Therizinosaurus. Looks like the Giganotosaurus can break into the treehouse. You got an awesome helicopter. You got a hatchery. You got I don't know, it looks like a dinosaur feeding station and a cool observatory. Awesome. Let's go ahead and open this cool setup. Okay, so it's time to check out what was in the set. Wow! Check that out. That's gonna be a lot of work. Big, huge set of instructions and stickers, and you got the Giganotosaurus here. You've got the Therizinosaurus here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags of Legos. Cool. Let's go ahead and put this together. And there's the huge set of instructions. These usually include pictures of all the other sets. I'll be building all of these. I built most of them already using stop motion animation. And these are the new dinos that are going to be in the sets. Cool. Let's get started. Wow, everyone, let's go ahead and check out this awesome set. You've seen it put together in stop motion animation. I'll be doing all the other sets in that. I have done most of them already. We're going to go ahead and take a look at these one at a time. First, we got our big, giant Therizinosaurus with the big, awesome claws that move back and forth. The head clicks into different positions. I mean, this guy is a fighter, and he is really cool. And then we have our Giganotosaurus, which is even cooler. This guy is massive with a big, like, spiked back. Mouth opens, closes, jaws move, clicks into different positions, and these guys could battle it out. Which one of the two will be the victor? He's got the Therizinosaurus. Good, and he rips his head off. And Ellie Sattler faints and gets eaten. And then we got the big, awesome treehouse thing. So there we have Claire Daring. She thinks she's safe from the Giganotosaurus. She's like, there's no way that guy could get me here, until he reaches up and he rips open the whole side of it and he eats her. So with this, if you pull this out, push down here, the whole front will collapse just like it does in the movie, and the treehouse will come down. So you can see the treehouse looks really cool. Inside you got a bunch of screens, little ladder for the characters to climb up to get in there and pretend they're safe. It's on a big, huge stand over there. Really cool. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the lab. Okay, then here's the lab, and you can see it does come with the 6 minifigs, which I told you about earlier, and you can see there through the window it's an observatory to watch the Giganotosaurus. A bunch of video screens there. Owen's over here relaxing in his office chair doing his work, not knowing he's about to get eaten by the Therizinosaurus. You got a bunch of equipment down there. You got some synthesizing equipment. Dr. Henry Wu is over there.
incubating some eggs. You got a bunch of radios and other equipment there. Let's take a look at the other side. It says Biosyn Genetics right there. It does have an opening door, so you can have them walk like right into the office. I mean, it's just a really cool looking set. Check that. On top of all that, you got one of these awesome helicopter airplane deals that have like the swinging, have like the blades that go forward, so it's like an airplane mode, or if they have to go up like a helicopter. I mean, they even spin, so this thing could go up like a helicopter and fly like an airplane. It has a cool cockpit here that will fit minifigs so they could fly the helicopter. It has spinning rotor blades, which are really cool. I mean, it's just really cool. It says Biosyn Genetics. So Biosyn Genetics looks like it's gonna be the bad guys in the movie. Comes with this cool little ATV there, and then
awesome toy unboxing on crazydinotoys on YouTube. Ah!
click the subscribe button below this video to see a lot more fun videos. Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos, and if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.